Hello everyone, my name is Rishabh Bafna and in this video, let's talk about why should we learn Python language. Again, learning Python offers several compelling reasons, sharing with you some of the benefits of learning Python. First point is about versatility. Python is a versatile language used in various domains such as web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, machine learning, scientific computing, automation and more. Its broad range of applications, okay, makes it a valuable skill to have. Second point is that it is beginner friendly. Okay, Python has a clean and readable syntax that is easy to understand, even for beginners. This makes it an excellent choice for those new to programming or transitioning from another language. Third point is related to rapid development. Python's simplicity and ease of use contribute to faster development cycles. Its extensive libraries and frameworks enable developers to build projects more efficiently, saving time and effort. Fourth point is related to strong community and support. Python has a large and active community of developers who contribute to its growth. This community provides extensive documentation, libraries, frameworks, and support through forums, tutorials, and online resources. You can easily find answers to your questions and collaborate with other Python enthusiasts. Fifth point is related to data analysis and machine learning. Python has become a popular language for data analysis and machine learning due to its powerful libraries such as NumPy, Pandas, Scikit-learn, etc. These tools simplify complex data manipulation, analysis, and modeling tasks. Sixth point is related to career opportunities. Python is in high demand across industries, making it a valuable skill in today's job market. Many companies and organizations use Python for their projects, and proficiency in Python can open up a wide range of career opportunities. Seventh point is related to interoperability. Python can be easily integrated with other languages like C, C++, Java, and more. This interoperability allows you to leverage existing code and libraries from other languages within your Python projects. Isn't it interesting? Okay, last point. Eighth point is that it is open source and free. Absolutely free. Python is an open source language, which means it is freely available and can be used for both personal and commercial purposes. This accessibility makes it a cost-effective choice for individuals and organizations. In conclusion, learning Python offers versatility, simplicity, a strong community, and a wide range of career opportunities. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced programmer, Python can empower you to build diverse projects and solve real-world problems efficiently. That's it for this video. Hope you like this video. Do like and comment your thoughts on this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. See you again. Till then, keep coding. Bye.